Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, sorry about my voice. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the little bell so you guys are notified when I make a new video. Also, make sure to check out my giveaway. If it's still running, it should be still running. So today I am going to give this blue cup a pearly look using mica powders and my Brite Tone. So I'll show you guys how to do that. Oh, my paper's sticking. Okay, so first I'm going to add some, which I already made a little bit just to try out. First I'm going to pour in some Brite Tone. I want to do a little bit more than I'll probably need, so I'm going to do probably about 5 millimeters. This is to cover a 30 ounce. This is a 30 ounce tumbler, so. And then I'm going to use my little spatula I got with my Cricut, and I'm just gonna grab some blue mica, put it in there, and I'm gonna grab a little green, not a whole lot because I don't want it to have a real greeny look, so not quite as much as I had blue, and I put it in my cup. Take a little stir stick or whatever, I use a paintbrush and mix it really well. I don't know if you can see. Let me see. Oops, that did not work. Okay, so you can see it has it's getting that nice pearly look, and mix it up really well so that the blue and the green are nice and mixed, because I want a blue. You can do this with whatever color. Just get a mica that matches close to the ear color. I am doing this because this is about the color my customer wanted, so that's why I mixed the blue and the mermaid green color. I will list below where I got my micas, I think. Yeah. Don't be like me and get it on your clothes. So I got it mixed up really well, and you should have a pretty pigmented, I might add a little bit more green, just a smidge. Mix that in there really well. Okay, so now we got those mixed up. I'm going to put my lids on my mica powders. Sorry guys. Now I'm going to take a soft bristle paintbrush, get some on there, and just brush it on. Don't put a whole lot of pressure. You don't need a lot of pressure. You don't want to put a lot of pressure. You don't want streaks. And so one of the best ways to avoid streaks is to put light pressure. You could also use, Crystalac does have their, they have liquid mica powder, so you could always use that. Hey, I'm doing a video. Can you go see what's wrong with Lexi?
I got mad at her because she dumped her coffee on your computer. Then I called her.
It's wanting to pull up right here at the bottom. Okay, so I think we're good. There's not really any more pooling. Let me make sure I got the bottom really well. I'm just going to do one more swipe through just to make sure we are well covered. Now, I will add another, probably 2 layers. Build it up. I'm going to just save what I have and put it in a little Ziploc baggie so it doesn't dry up. And that's it. So you see you guys soon. Okay guys, I'm back to do another layer of my mica mixture. I'm stirring it just to get the colors mixed evenly again before applying. Sorry about the baby in the background. She's a little fussy. She just woke up from nap. doing the bottom. And that's it. I'm gonna probably do 1 or 2 more layers. It's starting to look a little less streaky and better. See you guys in 4 more hours. All right, guys, I am back again. Going to do another layer. I'm gonna stir this up. Get that nice lighter blue and run it through. And this will be my last coat of the mica mixture. Remember, you want to lightly do it. You don't want to put much pressure at all. All right, so I did apply another layer with the brush, but unfortunately my camera decided not to record it. But this last layer, I'm doing enough to cover the whole cup. I'm making enough product to cover the whole cup. And I'm going to pour it on and use my finger to wipe it over the cup. And this is my last layer. So yeah, that's it. It comes out really pearly and has a nice look. It's great for men who don't want glitter, or even women who don't want glitter, anyone who doesn't want glitter. It's a great option. So yeah, thank you for watching.